Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a group on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on the last icon down below, which is the menu icon. And here you should select the groups option, which is the third one. And now you should click on this plus icon at the top. Tap on create a group. Type in the name of your group and select its privacy, such as public or private. Then tap on create group. And now your group has been created. So you should invite people either via email or use categories to filter your group members. You can also search for people by using this search box here, and then tap on the button next. You should add the cover photo. With the help of it, you will give people an idea of what your group is about. You should also add a description and choose goals from these options. And you should create your first post and welcome your new members. So here is your group created. You can create polls, upload photos to it, invite members, and edit other features anytime you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.